Hello, dear filmmakers.
And dear airsofters.
If you want to shoot an action movie, the airsoft is extremely suitable.
Let's say you run out of money and you decided to go for low-budget version. But don't worry.
Be happy.
First of all, you need the actors.
Hi. So, we are here. We are actors. I can play everything. I can play a barbecue on the background.
Look, the camera. He's a very good actor.
Yes, I'm a very good actor. I can play parking spot behind the hospital. I used to act man with the bag crossing the street.
I can crawl, I can fight, I can do everything. Yeah, and we are very cheap. Yeah, we don't want money.
We need money,
Yeah,
but
we
we
need
don't
money.
want.
We need money, yeah.
You need to find friends who can act for free.
Hello.
Here you are.
Try to find somebody really attractive.
Army clothing is very important.
The advantage is to call for airsofters with nice gear. If they don't have it, you can shoot some gangster or terrorist videos only.
Plan B, go! Where? Inside!
The actors should look and act perfectly.
Fuck! Here we have the scene, for example, where the squad of soldiers patrols the area.
But in this case, the intervention of the director is necessary. The actors have to show appropriate facial expression. It might be helpful to tell them they won't be paid, even though you didn't plan to pay them anyway. Oh, that's a nice face. Don't look at the camera! Be sure your actors don't look at the camera. Don't look at the camera! Another important thing is to find an appropriate environment. We add actors. Yeah, but this is not very interesting. Oh, this is better. This is interesting. That's much more better.
You can have high care, living on a million degrees. The training is important, don't you see it? You can have shooter on 500 FPS. The drill is crucial, don't you see?
Another important factor is the light. This kind of lights are not so expensive. And the result is really nice.
If you got small budget, never mind. Try to shoot at daylight only.
Now you can't see my face properly. That's why you have to use reflector. If you don't have reflector,
You don't have reflector. Shoot during the night.
and you save money for actors because there is nothing to see. No light, no actors.
No money, no budget. Try to kill yourself.
We don't want money, but we need, but we don't want.
Color correction would be also helpful. The best way to shoot low-budget war film is to visit the big events. But be aware of the audience.
Hello everybody, we are an Airsoft band, yes, and we want to answer.
The music is crucial. The best way is to record your own original song.
We want a song, sing for you. Airsoft song is flowing to you, because we like little babies. Airsoft song is flowing to you, just because.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's everything from our shooting academy. Don't forget to subscribe because you can miss really amazing things.
For example, next week we will shoot how to shoot perfect action film with Airsoft.
But it was in this part.
Now let's go to car.
Don't look at the camera!